Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I want to show you how I made this amazing salmon roll. So easy, you can serve this as an appetizer or for cold lunch. I will need for the roll 100 grams of yogurt, 4 eggs, salt and pepper, 50 grams of flour and about a teaspoon of sweet paprika. I will separate the eggs. I have to confess, I made this roll twice. First time I didn't separate the eggs and I just whisked them with salt and all the spices and didn't came out good. Wasn't fluffy at all. So I had to restart and did it again. This time I separated the eggs and I whisk the egg whites with a pinch of salt until stiff peaks were formed. And this is how I obtain an awesome sponge. So take your time and separate first the eggs. It will make a big difference. I added a pinch of salt. I try to be a bit stingy with the salt because the salmon has salt, cream cheese has salt, so I don't want to go overboard with it. Egg yolks, I'm gonna mix them with the yogurt. And as I said, the egg whites, I'm gonna mix them really good with a mixer. Over the egg yolks, I'm gonna add the flour while the egg whites are mixing up. I wish I could have used a bigger bowl for this because I will explain later why, but turned out to be okay this way too. Add spices, freshly ground pepper, sweet paprika for taste and also for the color. And I should have used a bigger bowl in which to mix the egg yolks because egg whites should have been mixed gradually into that mixture, but because I don't want to dirty another bowl, I will do it the other way. So I'll put the egg yolks mixture over the egg whites and I will try to fold it slowly because I don't want to take out the air that I already incorporated, and I really want this sponge to be fluffy and nice. I preheated the oven at 170 Celsius and I grease the baking paper. I'm gonna bake the roll in an oven tray over a baking paper, but I melted a bit of butter and I'm greasing that paper with a brush because I want the sponge to come out easily. You can pour the mixture in the baking tray using piping bag as you see I did here, or just spread it with a spatula. It's up to you. Bake it for exactly 7 minutes, not longer than that. And take it out from the oven and roll it with the paper and let it cool down. As you see, it's really flexible and fluffy. Now let's prep the filling. I have smoked salmon, approximately 200 grams of smoked salmon I'm gonna use, 280 grams of cream cheese, lemon pepper, sweet paprika, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and I'm showing you an avocado, but I didn't use it because it wasn't fully ripe. But you can use cucumbers or any other vegetable, spinach if you want. I mixed the cream cheese with lemon pepper, lemon juice. I will not add salt at all because cream cheese has already salt, and sweet paprika for taste and also color. Mix it really good. And when the sponge has cooled down, unroll it with lots of care and not to break it, and spread all that cream cheese all over the surface of this sponge cake using a spatula or a knife. Over this cream cheese you can add thin slices of avocado or cucumber. I will sprinkle some lemon pepper, and I will arrange the slices of smoked salmon in order to cover all the surface. Roll it tightly and place it in the fridge for about an hour until you can serve it. If you have guests, you can decorate the roll with slices of smoked salmon, cucumber, parsley, dill, or whatever your imaginations inspire you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you here next time with another recipe. Until then, find reasons to smile. Bye bye.